I have a new Range Rover Evoque here. This one has quite a bit of quarter panel damage, and the way this one got hit, it actually closed up this gap right here. This is almost touching right here at the bottom from everything shifting. I'm gonna go ahead and start working the metal back into shape, and I'm gonna have to get this to come back out in order to get that gap corrected. So I'm gonna start off doing a glue pull. I'm gonna glue this tab right at the center of this dent right here, and I'm gonna use that to pull off of. First, I wanna clean off all the surfaces just to make sure it's gonna stick well. Now you'll be able to watch as I pull this out right here, you'll be able to watch this gap move. Now the tricky part is getting this to stay, so I'm actually over pulling it a bit, but I don't want to cause any extra damage over here at the same time. Let's see if that's going to stay this time. Better. So I got the gap pulled out to where it's nice and even, just like it's supposed to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work this metal back into shape the rest of the way. So I went ahead and I fit all of this together just to make sure everything's lining up properly. And everything's looking good. My door gap is good. Bumper lines up nice and even, as well as the taillight. So this one is ready for primer. I'm gonna pull the bumper and bumper bracket back off, pull the taillight out, and I'll be able to get this one primed up.